Today we are going to discuss on a very important topic, that is build-ups. Okay, so what is a build-up? So we have two ways of looking at a build-up: long build-up and a short build-up. Long build-up implies that more investors are expecting the price rises and are entering into the long positions. On the other hand, short build-up means or implies that the traders are expecting the price to come down and they are entering into the short positions. So if you look at the structure of a build-up, it will be kind of this, right? For short build-up also it is the same. For the beginners who do not know anything about build-ups, let me try to explain you with an analogy. I love to give narratives, even I do it with my students. So let me try to explain you, okay? Let's say you and you are arranging a party, okay? And we are short of time. We have invited our guest, but we have arranged everything. But the only thing that is not available or we are short of are ice cubes, because a party for the drinks, the soft drinks, the liquor, we need ice cubes, and these ice cubes are not available. So there are around 100 guests coming in. So now we have a time crunch. What we do? We hire a delivery guy and tell him that, hey, can you buy me as much as ice cubes? Because we need it for 100 people. At least we need 100 packs, okay? So what the delivery guy would do? The delivery guy would follow a process called round robin. So what a round robin means? He will hop to each and every shop that he finds. Mostly those are available either in the ice cream parlors or liquor shops. So he'll go into all the shops one by one and try to find it. But obviously, to find all these in a city, it takes a lot of time. So what we have told is, as soon as you find few of them, please bring it to us so that we can store it in our fridge and we can serve the guest, okay, so that we don't get late. So what he does, he kinds of accumulates the ice cubes. For example, he goes out at 10 a.m. By 10:20 a.m. he has accumulated 4 ice cubes. Then he delivers to us and again he carry out the process. So if I ask you what he's trying to do, he's trying to do a accumulation of all the ice cubes that we have ordered, which can be compared with build-ups in the market. The same thing. The stocks are accumulated and the build-up. So hope you have understood the analogy for the build-up. Now, at last, when he collects all the orders, he will deliver it to us, right? So once he delivers it to us, how it will look? Let's say he's accumulated and he'll deliver it to us, right? All the ice cubes. So how the chart would look? Like this, right? So this is a long build-up, accumulation, and then a punch. I call it as a punch. You can remember it as energy and punch. Similarly for short build-up, energies and then punch. I'll explain you in the charts so that you can better get to know. So for a build-up, there has to be there's a condition, minimum 3 candles as part of the build-up. What do I mean by this? If you can see over there, this is a build-up in a straight line. Second condition has to be in a straight line. Okay. If you can see, this is a build-up, and the candle has to be small. This is a build-up, right? And what is a punch? Punch is a strong candle. Either it can be red or green. So this is a build-up, this is a punch. This is a build-up, this is a punch. This is a build-up, this is a punch. Here we can see this is a build-up, this is a punch. This is a build-up, this is a punch, right? This is not a build-up. If you can see, It's not in a straight line, it's coming down, and the candles are so big compared to the punch. So this is not a build up. This is also not a build up, because if you consider this a build up, it's fine, but the punch is not strong. So look at the combination of build up and a punch. Okay. So now if this concept of yours is clear, I'm not going to explain it in live charts, because the build-ups can be seen in any of the time frames, and it's with practice you will be able to identify the build-ups. Just remember these conditions: 3 candles minimum has to be formed for a build-up, small candles compared to the size of the body of the punch. The second is they need to be in a straight line. Okay, so these are the examples of a punch.